Welcome back, everybody. It's Robert with RT Repairs. We're going to continue work on our 2006 Jeep Commander project. Today we're going to be disassembling the interior. I have discovered the world's longest bolt. This seat bolt must be 2 inches long. Hopefully we'll get her out someday. Well, it looks like we found a party under the seat. Everything and anything we never ever wanted and always never dreamed of. Small torques here on the sides, 2 on each side. On the upper panel up here above the windows on the side, you got 2 Phillips screws behind a couple of small little square clips that you can pull out with a pick. The rest of these things just pop out and just all snap in. Take out this middle seat. So you fold the seats down. You got two 18 millimeters on the outside of each seat, then two 18 millimeters on the inside of the middle seat on both sides. Then that whole seat will lift up and come out. And warning, that seat weighs about 200 pounds. What do you do when you got a heavy seat to remove? Find your 18-year-olds to help. So the little brother sitting in the chair behind him, he's a smart one. That center seat, you got a plastic tray. It's just snapped down. It's got two computers in it. Make sure you unplug those. The party in the back, there's a whole party in the middle. Well, what do? Get the 18-year-olds to clean this mess up. Well, we finally got it clean. Now we can go through and make our plans on getting the interior done. We're definitely going to be replacing the carpet. The third row seat, unsure if we're going to put that back in or not. We're going to run new wires back for the audio system. Be a subwoofer in the rear here. There's the old amplifier going to come out. We're going to leave the rear AC and heat in. We do have some rust up here in the front driver's floorboard. That's from the normal sunroof leak that happens in these Jeep Commanders, which we'll get to fixing that in another video. But there's the audio amplifier is going to come out. We'll pull that out of there. Like I said, we're going to be doing everything brand new in this. And like I said, oh no, rust. Yeah, good thing is though, it's only surface. It's still a solid floor. We'll sand that down, clean that up. And like I said, we'll get this all prepped up and clean. We're going to fix the rocker panels on this Jeep. It's going to be a brand new Jeep by the time this thing's all done with, and you guys are going to be here to witness us all. So please tap that bell down in the lower corner there and get notifications when we post a new post. More importantly, please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel will give us in the future where we are able to do much better vehicles, and it's going to be a fun ride. Give us a thumbs up. If you like it or not, give us a thumbs up. Please, and comment on all of our videos. Till next time, Robert with RT Repairs.